nervous too. Are you really real? You don't look real on my camera. Nick, you don't look real on my camera.
That's how you saw everything?
You look like an alien.
Man, you missed out. If everything looked like that to you.
Come on, y'all, come with me. Hang on to me, Kylie. Remember, they can't touch you. Hello? Hello? No! Don't talk to me! Please don't talk to me! Oh, no!
What's wrong?
No!
I don't see anything.
Come up here with me.
Yes.
No, you're going to be all right. There ain't nothing to it. It's okay. You ain't got
You can't see anything.
You'll be fine.
Just a minute.
Just be.
It's black.
Just be. Come on.
You got to
There
sit
you
with.
can. Now you got me, and God loves us. Come on. God loves us. Oh, you're on camera. You're so stupid. How you going, Julie? Look at this. Oh, look at it. There ain't nothing to see. I got you.
You should have did it in color, maybe.
You couldn't pick it up. I had to have it on the landscape. It's too dark.
So,
Oh, yeah. Go back. I can't help you. I can't help you.
at this point, I kind of felt like nothing exists at this point when he was like that. I felt like nothing existed at that point. Did you?
Take your time now.
What the heck is happening to me?
Come on. I can't help you. Oh, my word. I know. I know.
What is it, God?
What is this? Spider web or something? I don't know what it is. I know. Be prepared for anything. Okay. Here we go. Oh, no. Oh, that's nothing. Come on. Oh, yes, I see you.
Tom.
I don't know what it is.
Papa, I have an idea.
Come on, stay with me.
Why don't you put like some movies on the phone channel, like show movies on there?
They can't because they're copyrighted.
How about the ones that are taped, like that you buy in the store?
They're copyrighted.
Oh, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. It looks bad. Here we go. We're okay. We're okay. Oh, we're okay. Enter if you dare.
What did he say?
Bring it, ugly. That's what he said, Papa.
Wow.
I think the music was. It's even chillier and even worse the second time.
I can't help you. I can't help myself. Which way out of here? Come on, this way. This way. Stay with me. Oh, my goodness. Come on, come on. Come on, stay with me. Stay with me. It's a haunted house. It is a haunted house. It's very haunted. It is a very haunted house. Oh, Nelly. Excuse me, ma'am. We're just going through here.
TV or
Come
something.
on, now, see.
So I gotcha.
I hear you. I got something in my pocket. Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on in here. Come on. Come on, Nick.
No one's in here.
Is he scared? You got it? Hang on to it. We're all together. Thank goodness we got a mother with us. Or a mother to be. All right, here we go. Hello? I'm not afraid. I'm scared. I'm here. Oh, no. Oh, no. He's chopping up heads. Look at this. Holy moly.
He really wasn't chopping
Holy
up
moly.
anything though.
I
So.
don't want any of that. No. I don't want any of that.
I like the one that it says, "Oh, hey,
I
Nick."
like pork chops. Which way out? Come on, hold the door. Hold the door. Oh my goodness. It just goes on. Oh, it's a little one. Holy cow. Look at this. Oh,
Ah, Felix, stop it! Don't bite me, Joe.
that door.
Don't bite me, Joe. Don't bite me.
That's the thing. Uh-oh. Boy, you get your money.
Look at this guy. You see it.
Where are we?
Yeah.
You get your money's worth. Oh, no, you stay over there and we're going through here.
Did you hear what I was saying? I said, "Take me, take me."
Bothering you. Go away and leave us alone. Come on, Nick. This is the right way. Holy cow. Holy cow.
Haunted house? It was scary. Okay. Some of it was scary. It was his first haunted house, so it was really scary. Every single one of them. To me, it wasn't as scary, but still scary.
Now, what about you, Nick? How'd you feel about it?
Even though it was my first time, I felt okay, I didn't look too realistic because here's the problem. When the girl was in the cage, all she did was scream at you. There was
They
no,
don't keep the table.
there was
Sorry, I
nothing
can't.
afterwards. They just scream at you. And it was,
But it was kind of unnerving at times, wasn't it?
yeah, the first few times, but then
Yeah.
as they keep screaming at you, it just gets annoying.
Do you recommend it, Kylie?
Yes.
Do you recommend it, Nick?
If you want to be like haunted houses, yes.
Okay.
And also, wait, before we close the camera, why don't we go over the first 3 rules? Number 1 rule, they are not allowed to touch you. Number 2, mock them, because they can't touch you. You just let them sit in Number 2 rule, there is no running. And
Okay.
number 3, I have forgotten.
Well, anyway, so it's a wonderful, it was really good for the money, wasn't it?
Good, yeah.
Okay, well, look, I'm going to let y'all go. Thanks for going with me. Okay.